story a kiss. Carla say, okay. Does Carla say, hello? No, Carla doesn't say, hello. Carla say, okay. He jumps out of the car. What does Carla do? He jumps out of the car. He gives her the keys and say, here are the keys. Who gives the girl the keys? Carla gives her the keys. What does he say? Carla says, here are the keys. The beautiful blonde takes the key and then kisses Carla on the cheek. Who takes the keys? The beautiful blonde takes the keys. What does she do after that? She kisses Carla on the cheek. Then she jumps into the car and drives away. Does, does she jump out the car? No, she doesn't jump out the car. She jumps into the car and drives away. Who drives away? She drives away. Carla stands on the sidewalk. Where does Carla stand on? Carla stands on the sidewalk. Now he has no car and no girl. Is he happy? No, he isn't happy. He has no car and no girl. He says, that's it? Just a kiss on the cheek? What does he say? He says, that's it? Just a kiss on the cheek? He gets on her bike and drives home. What does he drive home on? He drives home